Hello everyone. In this Filmora Mobile tutorial, we will explore the new feature called AI Beats. This feature automatically detects the tempo of your music and adjusts your videos to match the beats. You can use this tool to create YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or even highlight special moments in your videos and share your travel memories. Let's dive into today's tutorial. Before we begin, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. First, launch the Filmora Mobile app. From the main interface, select AI Beats. Next, click on Choose Music for AI Beats Sync. On the following screen, you can either use the Import Local Files option to upload your pre-selected music or scroll down to explore various music options available to work with. Choose your preferred music and click the Next button. You must select at least 8 clips, but we recommend choosing at least 28 clips for optimal results. Once you've completed your selection, click on Generate. The AI will begin its analysis, and you will receive your AI Beat Sync clip in just a few minutes. Additionally, swipe up to edit the AI Beat Sync clip. You can now add beats, music, more videos, and effects. You can also include transitions by clicking on Transition and selecting from numerous available options. If you want to edit your clips on the timeline, click on the More Edits option. You can now add effects, stickers, or filters to it. Now let's see the preview. Filmora made it simple to create your video synced with music with AI Beat Sync feature. Download or update your Filmora mobile app and start using this feature. See you in the next video.